Go high level for cleaning business tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cleaning business on Go High Level. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Go High Level, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoHighLevel, it is a comprehensive marketing automation platform designed primarily for agencies and small businesses, in which it integrates various tools and features to streamline operations, enhance customer engagement, and drive sales. And the platform includes CRM capabilities, email and CMS marketing, landing page builders, funnel creation, and appointment scheduling, all within a single interface. And now to create an account on GoHighLevel, you could also click the link in the description, or from here, just simply enter here your email address and password and click start your free 30-day free trial. And upon doing so, you'll be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show us in here on the left side panel some of the options that we can start navigating. But to proceed, just simply click the sub accounts in here. By clicking on it, it will show us on the right side panel all of our accounts, but just click add sub accounts button on the top right corner. And then on this pop-up window, it will show us in here some of the template, but we can start creating or searching for cleaning business in here. However, since it is not available, we can start clicking this blank snapshot to proceed. And by clicking on it, just click select and continue. Then you will now be able to be directed on this page, where the first thing that you need to do is to simply enter the location of your cleaning business. So you can simply select your different kind of location in here, or you could also use Google Map, or even add your account manually or your location in here. So for instance, I'm going to select this location, and after that, just simply proceed by clicking the save button in here. And upon doing so, the next thing that we need to do is simply fill out our account info, including our first name, last name, our email address in here, and even below the general info, such as to change the business name into cleaning business, the street address, and many more. And you're also required to enter here your phone number and your website, then click the save button to proceed. And upon doing so, you will now be able to be directed on this page. And under these basic details, you can start clicking switch to sub accounts button on the top right corner. And by doing so, you'll automatically be directed on the dashboard of a specific kind of sub accounts that you just created. And this is basically what it looks like, in which under this dashboard, you can track the opportunity status, the task, manual actions, and any other kind of statistics in here. And even the pipeline, the funnel, the opportunity value, and conversion rate. Now moving on, to start creating a website for our cleaning business, we can simply click the site button on the left side panel. And it will show us in here some of the category, but just click this websites and proceed by clicking new website button in here. It will show us that we can start from blank or templates. And in those options, I'm going to choose to start from templates, then click create button to proceed. And after that, it will show us in here some of the template that we can choose from. So you could also select depending on the categories that you also preferred. Or you can search on the search bar the cleaning business. But at this point, let's say I'm going to choose this marketing agency, for example, instead of cleaning business. Then click the continue button in here. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to add all of the template in here. So all you need to do is wait for it to load. And after that, you'll now be able to be directed on this editing page of the website, where it will show you that you can start customizing some of the part, pages, layout of this template. So you can enter here your logo and even all of the context in here, such as the story of your business, and even the navigation menu that you can start customizing on the right side panel here. While on the top panel, you could also navigate these pages and other editing tools that you can start customizing, such as custom CSS, typography, background, and any other editing tools. So below each pages, you can start scrolling down and start customizing depending on your preferences by simply selecting or pointing your mouse on a specific context. For example, this one, you can highlight this and start changing it depending on your preferences. But if you want to save the changes now, you can start clicking the save button on the top right corner, or the publish button if you want to publish it right here. So that is just basically how you can start customizing and start creating a website from template on this GoHighLevel. Now going back on this page, Aside from creating a website, you could also navigate here this funnels option, in which it serves as a structured pathway that guides a potential customer through various stages of the buying process. So from here, you can start selecting a library of template or start searching for cleaning business on the top panel in here on the search bar. Let's say I'm going to enter here cleaning, and below it will show us all of the funnel template that we can choose from: house cleaning, service, and many more. And upon clicking on it, you can simply click the continue button on the top right corner, where you can start customizing this funnel. So again, you can also do this on creating your website. So just go to your website once again and click new website button on the top right corner and select the template once again and search for cleaning business in here. So basically, that is just how you can start customizing a template of a website and a funnel on this platform. And aside from that, you could also creating or adding a chat widgets by clicking chat widgets in here on the top panel, in which it serves as essential tool for enhancing customer communication and engagement on websites. So just click plus new button below here, and you have the option SMS or email chat, live chat, or WhatsApp. Then I'm going to choose the live chat, and upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page, where it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to start navigating or customizing these widgets, in which it will show you on the bottom right what it looks like. So you can select here the chat icon, the theme, and even the welcome messages that you prefer that can attract customer to click on icon. You could also navigate this chat window and even the messaging such as acknowledgement and language. But if you're not done, you can proceed by simply clicking the save button on the top right corner to save the chat widget successfully. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate the automation on the left side panel, in which it is designed to streamline the business processes, enhance efficiency, and improve customer engagement through various automated workflows. And to create a workflow, just click plus create workflow button, then you will automatically be directed on this page, where you can start creating a new workflow by adding a trigger in here, such as the contact, birthday reminder, and even events in here, appointments, and many more, in which if any of these events have been triggered, it will automate or respond to the workflow that you simply put in here. And from here, you can enable personalized interactions based on customer behavior and preferences. Moving on, you can navigate here this opportunities option on the left side panel, in which it is designed to manage potential sales or deals at various stages within the sales pipeline. So we can start creating a new pipeline in here by filling out all of this required information on this pop-up window. Then on the left side panel, we could also navigate this reputation by clicking on it. It will show us that we can start tracking the overview, including the invites goal, reviews received, sentiment, that will help the businesses effectively manage the online presence by facilitating the collection, monitoring, and response to customer reviews. And from here, you could also send review requests by filling out the required information. Aside from that, you could also navigate this calendar option in creating a cleaning business, in which it serves as multiple purposes aimed at enhancing scheduling efficiency and improving client management for businesses, which is also the same using this contacts option that serves as a foundational element for managing customer relationship and streamlining the communication. So overall, that is just basically how you can start creating a cleaning business on GoHighLevel. Thank you.